So everyone will eat chicken wings, everyone loves chicken wings. So here we will be making an amazing glazed chicken wings with spicy sauce, and tossed with some nice spring onions and toast sesame seeds. So enjoy watching this video. So making a Desi style, Indian style buffalo chicken wings. Start with a big thick bottom pan, oil. I'm using plain oil. So here the chicken is not marinated, it's just raw. I just trimmed it, just lined it, then put it. Ensure the oil is hot. So while it's hot, because the pan is big, you can put all the chicken wings. It's around 1.5 kilo chicken wings. So while it's searing, I'm just sprinkling 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder and salt. So now you can see the blood start coming from the bone. It's almost 3 minutes. I'm going to turn it. So after 3 more minutes on the other side, just 1 stock cube garlic sliced into thin julienne, chopped onions, turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder. You can add a bit more if you want it to be spicy. Some more salt. We added already on the other side, so this side. All together, half a teaspoon of salt. Now we just mix it all together. So now just mix everything. Saute it till the onion is, saute like this for 2 minutes. So the onion is translucent, yet it has a crunchiness. So now at this stage, I'm adding some ketchup, tomato ketchup. Around 2 tablespoons should be good enough. Some dark soy sauce or Maggi seasoning you can use. Some sliced Holland chili. I used two chilies. Now mix it again. So now to finish off, chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon. Spring onions, 3 long spring onions. And again, like I always say, it's not chopped coriander. I always like to break it and then put it. More flavors, natural, very rustic. Now just mix it. Don't cook any further because we want that green color, the crunchiness from the chili as well. So that's it. Now just serve it. So now let's present it. Plate or plate bowl, just heap it up. Just put it on the middle of the table. People can just jump in and then eat. So just top it up with the veggies. That is a flavor. Just put it on top and drizzle with the oil. So before you send it, you can just put some toasted black and white sesame seeds. It gives a crunchiness as well. It changes the whole look of the plate.